Okay, we are in Panama City Beach and we got the Fish Pro. We're getting ready to launch. We got Brock over here. He's in his kayak. He's gonna show me what the hell to do. Yo. Say what's up.
Let's go slay him.
We're gonna go slay him. And I can't wait to bring food home to feed my friends and family. So I may have bought a new rod and reel. I'm not sure, but I found one anyway. So let's get this pig in the water. Here we go. All right, it's a bright Saturday morning. We're in the salt water. Couldn't be more excited. We're gonna catch the big ones. There's the bridge we're gonna be fishing. So we're gonna go, I have no idea where we're going, but there's another kayaker heading out that way. So I'm sure we'll be going out that way somewhere. So waiting on Brock. He's getting everything dialed in for us. And check out our fish finder. Looks like there's fish in there. That's great. Look at that. Ooh, we're gonna get them. So stand by for action. Okay, here we go. Brock's in the water. Says he got a shovel. He scrapes the barnacles off and lets the barnacles fall, and that creates a feeding frenzy. And then they'll come over there and see what's going on and then eat your bait. So that's pretty great. A little trick of the trade. I'm so happy to be here. I wish I'd lived closer. I need a house here, I'm sure of it. All right, don't tell nobody the secret of the trade, but we're getting the barnacles in the water, hopefully to attract these fish onto our little crabs. See our little crabs? Yeah. Ain't got a bite yet. We've been out here about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, but I'm having fun. That's what counts. So, got hooked up and broke off by one fish today. It's not even quite noon yet, so I'm gonna hop on down to Panama City and St. Andrews Bay, right? St. Andrews Bay?
St. Andrews Bay.
Yeah, and I got a bunch of spots on my Navionics that my new buddy here put on there for me, and I'm gonna go offshore, but I'll still be able to see land. And he said he's sure other people will be out there fishing. If I get into a bind, I can call him and he'll send somebody save me. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to St. Andrews Bay State Park and go offshore fishing a little bit, do a bunch of trolling. My new buddy, he did an awesome job getting me all rigged up on all the different things that are gonna work good for trolling. So I found a Salty Sue's when in Rome meets seafood in Panama Beach. Okay, so look at these savory shrimps, collard greens, and some French fries. I'm gonna throw down and then get down and back on the water. Time's burning. So the shrimp at Salty Sue's, fantastic. The collard greens had some kind of weird seasoning in it. I mean, it was okay, but I didn't like level it. So okay, so we made it to St. Andrews Bay State Park. It's a beautiful sunny day. And this is our boat ramp. So we're gonna get everything unloaded and in the water and see if we can't go catch some fishies. So excited, let's go. So I did it. I'm not dead and I'm offshore. Look at that. That's Panama City Beach over there. So my buddy told me, Brock told me about this place where that green fish is that's got some structure. I might be able to catch a giant grouper. So I'm headed out there. It doesn't look like it's more than a mile or two, and I hope to catch a grouper because I got people to feed. Yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna troll for him with a 40-foot diving lure. To our mark, so I'm gonna get my 40-foot diving lure that we just got and get it down in the water. All right, so this rod with all the cool rollers on it and this massive reel here was given to me by Mr. Dalton. And so I'm putting it to good use. We got it relined and we're on our mark here. It's about 57 feet deep. So if I catch a big fish, I better turn that on too. If I catch a big fish, I'm not sure I want more than one pole in the water at a time. So I'm just gonna see what it feels like to get this guy in the water and see if I can catch a big grouper or something. So stand by. All right, we're about on our mark. So I got quite a bit of line out and I'm gonna hold on to this one. I think I got the drag set just right. We'll find out if something big, oh, there's a fish right there. Oh, there was a bite. Oh, there's a fish. Oh yeah, heck yeah. All right, we got a fish on of some kind. Hi, puppy dog. It's biting, boy. I got snapped off in there too on my braid. Whatever it was heavy. That's a good spot. What is it? Can you tell? Is it red? Huh? The red? Are they keepers right now? They gotta be what? Way over? Ah, shit. See if I can land it, get a picture with it, if anything. Tired out so I can get him up here and get him in the net. He's real close. Giant red. Oh, he won't even fit in my net. Of course. Let's see. Maybe I can do that again. Look at this guy. He's giant. Okay, I can go forward again so I don't suck my lure up. He really got it. This guy, what a fish. He's gonna get me hooked if I'm not careful. Put him right here. See if I can't get these barbs out of him. Let's see if I can capture him. Alright. Sir, or capture. Body fish here. No idea where my line is. I want to suck that up. Okay, so we get a picture of this red. I'm gonna turn that off for now. Look at this beautiful fish. Woo! Too big to keep. He's a slimy son of a gun. Woo! Fun, fun, fun. Alright, let's see what I got going on here. Looks like my red is not happy. I gotta go over there and revive him. right, good. Woo, we saved the red. Wow, that was extremely fun. I would like to do it again. Stand by. Got another fish on. We found the spot, boy, right here by this jetty. Oh, he got off. I wonder what broke. Doesn't feel like we have a lure anymore.